Just out, myself and Scott here is behind the camera today. We're out for a beautiful fall hike. This is the first time I've got out in probably a couple months now, and it's been a long time coming. We're super excited to go in, cooking up some great food, having some good conversation, some fresh air. Stick around for the entire video. Hit that like button right now if you would, please. Subscribe to my channel. Let's head in for a great hike. We've been chasing for a few minutes. We could hear a brook or a waterfall or something rushing. We're just out to it here now. Oh boy, that's lovely. Always nice to find a patch of water like this. Wow, look at us, carve right down through there. Alright guys, we found a nice little spot here. We just walked down the river a little further and we're here by a lovely little pond you saw earlier in the clips. And we've just been processing some wood. Cody is gathering up some material. Cody doesn't have an axe, but we have a project coming up that you guys are going to love. Project Get Cody an Axe. Should make that a hashtag. I've been working with my little Baco Expert here. It's basically a Laplander but in orange. Great little saw. Maybe one day I'll get myself a nice bigger silky because these perform like crazy. But we're just processing down some wood here now. Getting hungry. You getting hungry? Time for some dinner. Consider it like
pretty rough going, boy, I tell you now. I know.
Oh my bless it, down like that. That was just my test stroke. I wasn't expecting lighter like that. You can't budget when you do's everything up, and you literally have way less income than the minimum expenses you got.
Yeah. No,
that's not budgeting. That's impossible.
No, that's impossible. That's just learning how to die slowly. That's all. Can you handle my pants? Feel hot?
Hot.
Really hot?
I'm gonna go ahead and say he's warm.
Oh, I can handle a chicken. Actually, I am the son of a sea cook, really. Not a lot.
2 pieces of cast iron going on the fire.
Don't you put me in there singing. Don't you put me in there singing.
And then right here, I have going in first a couple of pork chops. They were frozen when I bought them when I left town, but they're starting to thaw out now. The lovely Bark River Aurora here. Get those in and start cooking down.
cup of tea out of her and that.
This guy knows what he's doing.
He makes out of you anyway, eh?
There we go.